I just finished a day of work and I wanted to show you guys how good nature is at covering up. I mean, you probably saw a video just a little while ago where this was a stack of rocks alongside this cut-in, which is my driveway. Now the driveway's still getting driven on. It was packed down real tight, but over here, a bunch of material was just mounded up. And there's some interesting things going on. First of all, there's some of the weeds and some of the brush that had been here before is coming back from the ground. Do you guys recognize this? Look at that. That is a volunteer pumpkin. Who knows where that came from? I have no idea. I don't know if kids dropped some seeds over here, which is possible, or if there had been pumpkins grown in this ground before and that thing just popped up. Now look at this. Yam, Dioscorea alata. Yeah, I mean, you can barely see the rocks in here. Let me take you around the corner here. Yeah, this is a poinsettia. Not the exact same one that you see at Christmas, but a close relative. Looks similar. Check this out. This is where I planted some jackfruit seeds. You can see right here, there's one coming up. There's one coming up right here. But all this, okay, see there were banana roots that were down there in the ground that got shoved over. All kinds of interesting weeds, tall grass. Very, very short period of time, this has recovered itself. The ground wants to be covered, and there's tons and tons of seeds in the ground, along with chunks of roots and everything else. So when the ground is disturbed, it pops up. Now check this out. You know what those are? Chinese lanterns? Ground cherry. Those are actually edible when they dry out a little bit and they fall off. You know what this is? Papaya. I did not plant any papaya here. That's a volunteer. The birds dropped it. We've got some interesting little weeds here. We've got bees, different pollinators. So, I mean, that is just incredible. I just wanted to show you guys what you can, what'll happen. You strip a piece of the ground and you let it go back in the rainy season. I mean, a lot of you were like, oh my gosh, look what you did to your yard. That was all bare dirt just 2 months ago. Totally bare dirt. Look at it now. It's all coming back to life. Now, if I had been really smart, I could have seeded it all with a bunch of stuff. But as it is, it's doing pretty well anyways. Actually gonna have some edible stuff out of there. Thought you'd like to see it. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.